In this guide, I will show you how to hide name on PayPal business account. Begin by opening your web browser and navigate to the PayPal website. Log in with your PayPal business account using your credentials. And once logged in, click on the Profile tab to access your account settings. And from the drop-down menu, select My Business Info. Under My Business Info section, locate the name heading and click on Change option next to it. Then select Business Name Change. In the provided fields, replace your company name with either your personal name or an alternate business name. Ensure that the new name you enter is one of the you want to display temporarily for the transaction. And then, once done, click Continue to proceed. Review the changes you've made to ensure accuracy and confirm that the change by following any on-screen prompts or instructions provided by PayPal. Your business name will now be temporarily replaced with the new name you entered. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.